Alright guys, on big trucks, on diesels, I used to do this too, and this one exhaust EGR tubing. Any tubing that's hard to get off because it's been on, this was probably been on here for 20 years, this EGR tube, and I can't get it off. So I'm going to show you a trick that I've used for years. Alright guys. Alright, let me see if we can get this going. Give me that mat. I get that mat. Where'd it go? I'll do it from here.
You want me to stop recording?
You're fine. We're gonna go right here on the edge of it. Let's see if we can get it to go. Yeah, you see that shit? See that pump?
Yeah, I got it on video.
Hey! Yeah, you see that? Just got it loose, baby. I was messing with it. It's like, man, I hope I can rest of that work with this. All right, I'm happy. Like and subscribe. Later.
Well, that would be the end of your video?
This is like a little short.
Oh, okay.
I want to do a short. Good short, right? If I make it long short,